So I've been building magazines and magazine websites for about 15 years. And in that time, I've used WordPress, I've coded my own websites, I've spent countless hours updating pages, troubleshooting things, and trying to make my websites do exactly what I wanted them to do. But recently, I moved my magazine websites to Showit. And after fully making the switch, I could not help but think, why didn't I do this sooner? So in this video, I wanted to share why I moved my magazine websites to Showit, what finally made me switch after all these years, and why I think it's one of the best website platforms available for magazine publishers today. Now, before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Kate, and I am the founder and editor-in-chief of Mini Magazine and Tool Magazine. And like I said, I've been running magazines for well over a decade. Over the years, I've built magazine websites in several different ways. I've used WordPress, I've hired developers, I've purchased different themes and modified them. I've even coded parts of my own websites. And while all of those options worked, when it came to updating or tweaking the website, I absolutely dreaded it. The themes that were available didn't quite have everything I was looking for in a magazine website, and every little change felt like so much work to get the website exactly the way I wanted it. And when your website is the home of your magazine, that's a big problem. So for years, I hosted my magazine websites on a well-known platform. Let's call it Stop Mommy. The site dealt with hackers more than once. There were periods of time where the service was down, and it wasn't until I switched that I realized that my SEO was very likely suppressed. In addition to that, I knew that my websites needed updating, but I wanted more flexibility. I wanted to be able to move sections around. I wanted to add a subscribe button. I wanted to test new layouts. I wanted the freedom to create things quickly without feeling like I needed to call a developer or spend hours troubleshooting something. And that's when I started looking at Showit. Now, if you're not familiar with Showit, it's a drag and drop website builder that integrates with WordPress for blogging. And at first, I wasn't sure if it was the right fit for a magazine website. Most of the examples I saw were photographers and coaches. I wasn't seeing magazine publishers. So I took it upon myself to start experimenting with what the platform could do. And what surprised me most was how easy it was to make changes. If I wanted a button in the top right corner of my website, I literally just dragged a button into the top right corner. If I wanted to move a section, I moved it. If I wanted to redesign an entire page, I did it myself in a matter of minutes. There was no coding, no need for a developer, no frustration like I had in the past. And after years of doing things the harder way, that felt really good, especially for someone like me who likes instant gratification. On the security front, I have yet to hear of anyone, myself included, who has had their Showit website hacked. My websites have been more secure and the customer service is top-notch. These are real people in Arizona who are lightning fast at getting back to you when something happens with your site. As for SEO, I'm not making any guarantees and I'm not drawing any hard conclusions, but after I moved my sites over to Showit, I started seeing content rank in ways I hadn't seen before. So I'll just leave that there. Now, one question you might be wondering is, that's all great, but can Showit actually work for a magazine website? And my answer is yes. I actually think magazine publishers are some of the people who can benefit the most. Because magazines are visual. We care about layouts. We care about branding and design, photography and typography, how someone moves through your website. And Showit gives you a tremendous amount of control over all of those things. For example, on my websites, I wanted different article layouts, an issue archive page, a current issue page, a homepage layout that I could easily add to or change up, newsletter sign-up areas, and places for affiliate links. All of that is possible. And because Showit still uses WordPress on the back end to publish your content, you still get that blogging functionality that most magazine publishers need. So for me, it felt like getting the best of both worlds. You get a drag and drop website builder with WordPress as your content management system. So, the biggest reason that I wish I had switched sooner is that I now spend way less time working on my website and more time actually creating content. That's where I want my energy going. That's what brings us readers. I don't want to waste my time troubleshooting why a website theme broke or updating code when I want to make a change. Creating content and publishing stories is what grows the magazine and moves the business forward. So that's what I want to be doing. And once I started working inside of Showit, one thing became very obvious to me. There were almost no magazine templates designed specifically for magazine publishers. I found beautiful templates for photographers and coaches in other creative businesses, but I couldn't find what I was looking for as a publisher. And that's when I decided to build one myself. Over the last several months, I've been designing a Showit website template specifically for magazine publishers. And it's built around the things that magazines actually need, like different article layouts, pages for your categories, an issue archive, a current issue page, a media kit page, places to share your affiliate links, and I'm excited to share more about that soon. So, if you're starting a magazine and designing a website feels like a big obstacle, or you already have a magazine and your website could really use a refresh, I would highly recommend taking a look at Showit. Making the switch completely changed the way I think about creating magazine websites, and it's one of those decisions I wish I had made years ago. I'll leave a link in the description where you can try Showit free for a month and start playing around with it yourself. That's exactly what I did before making the switch, and it gave me a chance to really see what the platform could do before committing to it. And if you're wondering what pages, features, and content your magazine website should include, make sure you're subscribed because in my next video, I'm going to be breaking down what every magazine website needs. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.